Hello guys, today we'll learn about how to find out breakout and breakdown stocks just after the market ends. It's a very simple strategy. What you need to do is just go on ChartLink. ChartLink provides analysis in terms of technical and fundamental analysis. It has some filters by which we can find out like stocks which have gone up or down and just given a breakout in terms of volume and price, and which are some stocks which have gone down with volume. So what we'll do is we'll go and search ChartLink on Google and click on screens. As you can see, screens. Then what we will do is we'll try to create our own screen. So when you try to create our own screen, we can create according to our liking. So it's a plus button. Just click on it and type latest volume greater than volume, and then this latest will change to 1 day ago. So what this will do is this will filter out all those stocks which has the volume on a particular trading day greater than the previous day volume. And if suppose you want to filter out stocks which are penny stocks or stocks which are in which we are not very interested, so what we'll do is we will filter out those stocks. Latest close greater than this number we can put as price. Let's suppose we select all the stocks which are priced more than 50 and we'll run the scan. So as you can see, a list will be generated which stocks have gone with volume and price up. So these are the stocks which have given a breakout. So NITD Limited has gone up almost 20% on particular session. Let's say yesterday. Today the market was closed due to Good Friday. Yesterday these stocks, Aptech Limited, Tech Solution Limited, all these stocks have gone up and given a breakout in terms of volume and price. So taking a trade in this is you can take a trade based upon the breakout trades. But what I like more about this filter is it lists down according to the descending order. So the stock which has given the highest number of raise in terms of percentages, it gets listed first. And on the last page you will get those stocks which have broken down with volume, like the volume also was more than the previous day and the price also has gone down. So this is a more safe strategy what I feel. We can find some good stocks which were like down on that particular day, and next day we can keep them in our watch list, and if then it come to our support price, let's say support zone, we can buy them and do a swing trade in them. So as you can see, like these are the stocks which have gone down with volume on yesterday's trading session. So as you can see, like once we enter the market, we get to know which stocks are good. So I see Coromandel International is a good stock. It has gone down by 3.3% and it is currently trading at 748. So this can be kept in our watch list. Similarly, if we go to the next page, we will find Rajratan Global. This is also good stock, steel sector stock. Steel sector prices, steel has been rising a lot, and getting the stock 2% down is definitely very beneficial for us. Similarly, you can look for your type of investment and stock which you like, and based upon your liking, you can select stocks. Like Dixon Technology was down 2.29%, and if suppose you want to have more information regarding that particular stock, like which stock is good or not, you can use Screener to find out which stock is good, which stock is like worth investing. Let's suppose we do a simple I'll give a simple example, like how do we get to know if the stock is good or not. Let's suppose Rajratan Global. So we'll try to find if Rajratan Global is undervalued or overvalued. So Rajratan, this was a stock which went down by 2%. So as you can see, this current price is 772, and similarly this one is 771. So this is the stock we were talking about. As you can see, the PEG ratio is 0.2. ROC is good. That also is considerably okay. High promoter holding, and the main points which attracts every time for me as an investor is PEG ratio. Like all the stocks which are having a PEG ratio of less than 1 attracts me a lot because they are undervalued. And being a steel sector stock, this stock has potential. This stock has zoomed up from like 200 rupees in the past year till now it is trading at around 800. So already it has gone up by four times, and it has potential to go up further. So this is the way you can basically select stocks based upon breakout or breakdown. You can also select stocks which have shown up trend reversal or trend breakout, range breakout. That also you can do, like NIT Limited. So we can have a search at NIT Limited also. NIT Limited, this stock also is, as you can see, 165. This is the price. This is the 20% increase on the particular day, which is being depicted by the graph. This also has a peg ratio less than 1. So this is also worth investing. If you are a positional trader who likes to trade like in swing trade of 1 or 2 weeks, this can be a positional trade for 1 or 2 weeks. But I definitely prefer the stock which have given a breakdown and then I can enter, and based upon my target price I can sell those stocks. So this is a good strategy, I would say, to enter a trade and to find out stocks which have gone up or down in one particular day. This basically lists down all the stocks together which has given a volume, and there's an increase in interest from the investors for the stock on that particular day. I am adding in the description the WhatsApp group where we discuss regarding stock ideas, multi-bagger ideas, and news regarding trading and where to get profitable trades and markets, news of the markets. So if you want to join the group, you can join in the description below. I have pasted the link. Thanks a lot. Hope you like the video.